Okay, good morning to everybody. Today we'll discuss the chapter permutation and combination. First of all, what is permutation? Actually, permutation means finding the number of arrangements. Finding the number of arrangements, and combination is actually number of total number of committee, total number of uh, any numbers, finding any numbers, sum of any numbers. So permutation is equal to total number of arrangements. First of all, what is factorial? Factorials. Okay, first of all, what is factorials? Suppose n factorial. This is the formula for n factorial. N into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, dot dot 3, 2, 1. For example, 5 factorial. 5 factorial means what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Their multiplication, what will be? 120. Similarly, 4 factorial, what will be? 4, 3, 2, 1. This equals to what? 24. So this is the actually formula example of factorial. Now, what will be the permutation? Permutation. What is the permutation? The number of arrangement, the number of arrangements from n number of things, from n number of things taking r number of things, taking at a time, taking all at a time, will give the number of arrangements, total number of arrangements is NPR. NPR means what? Total number of things here. How many things? And number of things. Taking R number of things. The formula will be n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay. Now we have to prove this. NPR means what? Permutation of r number of things from n number of things. Suppose we have 5 books. Then if we take 3 books from there, how many arrangements will be taken? 5 P3. Okay, taking 3 books from 5 books. The total number of arrangements what will be? 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial. That means 5 factorial means what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, 5 minus 3 means what? 2. 2 factorial means what? 2 into 1. 2 cancel. So we get only 60. That means total number of the number way will be what? 60 ways. This is the example of permutations. Now another examples, what is the actually permutation will be? Suppose we have A, B, C, 3 letters. So permutation will be permutation for these 3 letters. What will be how many arrangements? How many arrangements will be? There are A, B, C, 1 arrangement. A, C, B, B, C, A, B, A, C, A, B, and C, B, A. Actually, there are 6 arrangements. How? From taking 3, that means this can be written as 3p3. Okay, taking 3 letters from out of 3 letters, this will give what? 3 factorial. Okay, 3 factorial means what? 3 2 1 equals to what? 6. This is the called permutation, number of arrangement, total number of arrangements taking 3 letters from 3 letters. Now what will be the combination? Combination. Now taking these 3, suppose this is the person, one is president, B is the vice president, and C is the member, any member. So we want to make a committee taking these 3 persons. So in this case, how many committee will be formed? Suppose A is the president, and B is the vice president, and C is the member. So how many committee will be formed? Actually, total number of committee will be what?
Actually, one.
One. Suppose 3C3. The number of combination, the number of committee taking 3 person out of 3 person. This will be what? 1. Remember it. This is the combination, and this is the permutation. This is the basic difference between them. Suppose in our country there are number of crores mobile numbers, and each mobile number has 11 digits. Okay, so they making these arrangements, we can make many mobile numbers. That means there are 2 crore, 3 crore, 4 crore mobile numbers for each company. In our Banglalink, in our Grameen Phone, Airtel, Robi, many mobile number. So taking with the help of permutation, we can make many mobile numbers, and we use this permutation in our database also. Suppose let's do a permutation problem. How many different arrangements are there for 3 books on a shelf? Books A, B, C can be arranged in this way: ABC, SCB, BSC, CBA. That means there are 6 arrangements. Okay. In a permutation, the order of the books is important. Each different permutation is different arrangements. So the arrangement ABC is different from the arrangement CBA, even though they are the same 3 books. Suppose how many ways can 4 books be arranged in a shelf? Suppose we have 4 books, we can arrange these 4 books in the 24 ways. That means 4 factorial means what? 24 arrangements. In this way, there are 24 different arrangements: ABCD, ABDC, SCBD, SCDB, ADBC, ADCB. That means there are how many arrangements? 24 arrangements. So we can arrange 4 books on a shelf in 24 ways. So now we are going to do 3 books on a shelf again, but at this time we are not choosing them in a way. This is another example. So the permutation, actually what is permutation? To find the number of permutation of an items chosen R at a time. So we can use the formula like this: NPR equals to this. That means this. I have shown it now we will look at an example. A combination lock will open when the right choice of 3 numbers from 1 to 30 inclusive is selected. How many different lock combinations are possible? So 30p3. Now we'll try to solve another example for you. Formula.
Sir.
Number 1, NPR. NPR means what? Taking R things from a number of things, the number of arrangements or permutation. Factorial n divided by n minus R factorial. NPN. What will be n factorial? Number 3, and n factorial means what? N into n minus 1, n minus 2, dot 3 to 1. Number 4, n factorial means n into n minus 1 factorial. Number 5, 0 factorial means what? 1. Number 6, 1 factorial means also 1. This is the actually basic formula for finding any permutations. Now we'll try to prove NPR, that means taking our things from a number of things, what will be the total permutation. We'll try to prove this. Prove NPR equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Suppose we have a number of things n into n minus 1, n minus 2, dot dot, how many things here? N number of things. Suppose we are taking r number of things from here, r number of things. Then the permutation will be NPR equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Suppose from n number of things, we are taking one things. So how many arrangements will be? N. Taking one things from n number of things, and P1 equals to what? N. Taking n two things from n number of things, number of permutation will be what? N into n minus 1. Okay. Similarly, taking three things from n number of things, what will be? N into n minus 1, n minus 2. Similarly, taking four things from n number of things, what will be the permutation? N into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. So in this way, we can find taking r things from a number of things, what will be? N into n minus 1, n minus 2, dot dot, n minus, what will be? R minus 1. Because the last number 3, here 4, here 3, here 2, here 2, here 1. Okay, that means 1 less. This is the arbelus. 4, here 3. So here r, here will be what? R minus 1. That means this can be written as n into n minus 1, n minus 2, dot dot, n minus r plus 1. So this can be written as, we can write n into n minus 1, n minus 2, dot dot, n minus r plus 1. Next term, what will be? Minus 1. That means only n minus r. So taking n minus r factorial in both numerator and denominator, we can write this one. Actually, this means what? Total n factorial. Okay, n minus r factorial. Hence, NPR equals to what? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This is the actually main formula for finding any permutations. Okay, so taking r things from n number of things equals to n factorial divided by n minus r. Okay, now one important example: how many arrangements can be made with the letters of the word mathematics? Okay, and in how many of them vowels occur together? So now we are trying to solve this problem. The given word, mathematics, consists of how many letters? 11 letters. Okay, 11 letters, in which 2 are M's. Okay, 2 are S, 2 are T's. Then any left? and all are, and the rest are different. Okay, so therefore the number of arrangements taking all letters at a time, what will be? There are total number of letters are 11. So 11 factorial divided by similar letter. Similar letter, we have to divide with the number of similar letter. Another 2 as 2 factorial multiply this 2 factorial. Okay. So we can find this 11 factorial means what? 11 multiply 10 multiply 9 multiply 8 multiply 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So 2 factorial means what? 2 multiply 1, and 2 factorial means 2 multiply 1, 2 multiply 1. That means this 3 2 means 8. This 8 and this 2 will be cancelled. So total number what will be? You can calculate with the calculator. Okay, you can use the calculators here. Okay, the number of arrangements taking all letters at a time is equals to 1,51,200 Wes. Now another part, in how many of them vowels occur together. So how many vowels here? How many vowels? The given word has how many vowels? 4 vowels. Four vowels. Which one? 4 vowels. A, E, and another A, and I. So how many vowels here? 4 vowels. In which 2 are S and all are different. And how many consonant? 11 minus 4 equals to 7 consonant. Consonants you must know. Since 4 vowels occur together, so considering 4 vowels to be one letter, then the number of letters will be what? 4 vowels means one letter and 7 consonant, 8 letters. These 8 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiply 2 factorial, because in consonant 2 are T's and 2 are M's. This is why 8 factorial divided by this. Again, 4 vowels can be arranged among themselves in 4 factorial, 4 vowels, 4 factorial. But how many s? 2 are s, 2 factorial. Hence, total number of arrangements in which vowels occur together equals to what will be 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiply 2 factorial multiply 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. This is the result.
স্যার এখানে 1 + 7 এটা কিভাবে?
1 plus 7. 4 vowels mean what? 1 letter.
স্যার vowel 4
4 vowels means what? Taking
4
1 letter. 4 vowels to be 1 letter. That means 4 vowels plus consonant what? 7.
7
Total letter 8. These 8 letters can be arranged in 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiply 2 factorial, because in consonant 2 are m's and 2 are t's. Similar letter. We have to divide with the
Yes, sir.
similar letter. Again, these 4 vowels can be arranged among themselves. 4 factorial divided by 2 are s. 2 similar letter. This is why. Okay. Okay, how many arrangements can be made with the letters of the word mathematics, and in how many of them vowels occur together? So the given word mathematics consists of 11 letters. How many letters here? 11 letters, in which 2 are m's, 2 are s, and 2 are t's, and the rest are different. That means these are 3 are similar letters, m, a, t. So the total number of arrangements taking all letters at a time, what will be 11 factorial divided by we have to divide with the similar letter, number of similar letters. Number of similar letters means number of m 2, number of a 2, number of t 2. So total factorial 11 factorial means what? 11, 10, 9, 8. We have seen it in our from our formula. Now 2 factorial means 2 multiply 1, 2 multiply 1, 2 multiply 1. So after calculating or using calculator, we get 49,89,600 West. So the total number of arrangements from mathematics word, we get actually how many? This 49,89,600 West. Now another part, in how many of them vowels occur together? So how many vowels here? Actually 4 vowels. The given word has 4 vowels: a, e, i, a, e, a, I. There are 2 similar letter. Okay, so in which 2 are s, and all are different. And 11 minus 4 equals to 7 consonant. Consonant, you must know consonant vowels, and total number of consonant what? 7. Since the vowels occur together, since 4 vowels occur together, so considering these 4 vowels to be 1 letter, then the number of letters will be what? 4 vowels to be 1 letter, 1 plus 7 consonants. So total number of letters what will be? 8 letters. 8 letters, and these 8 letters can be arranged in 8 factorial divided by 2 multiply 2, because in this 8 letters there are 2 m's and 2 t's. Okay, now again 4 vowels can be arranged among themselves. Okay, these 4 vowels can be arranged among themselves in how many ways? 4 factorial divided by 2. These 2, why? Because there are 2 similar letters. So the total number of arrangements in which vowels occur together will be what? These multiply this. So the 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiply 2 factorial multiply 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial equals to what? 40,320. From this we get 40,320, and from this one we get 12. So total number of ways what? 51,840 ways in which the vowels occur together. This is the actually example. So the vowels occur together how many words? 4,83,840 ways. This is the total result. Now another example 2. How many numbers of 6 digits can be formed from the digit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? No digits being repeated. Okay. How many of them are not divisible by 5? So taking these 6 digits, we have to make some numbers with 6 digits. So taking these 6 digits, how many numbers can be formed? Since 6 digits are different, okay, there is no similar digit, different, because 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since the 6 digits are different, so these 6 digits can be arranged among themselves in 6p6, right? Taking 6 digits out of 6 digits, this will be what? 6 factorial. 6 factorial means what? 6 multiply 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 1. This what? What will be digit? Right?
Sir,
Yes.
3 multiply 2 হয় নাই কেন?
6p6 means what? 6 factorial. 6 factorial means
না না স্যার, ফর্মুলা তো আছেই, কিভাবে কোন সময় কোন ক্ষেত্রে প্রয়োগ করব সেটা বলতেছি।
taking 6 out of 6. 6p6 means 6 factorial. 7p7 7 factorial, npn n factorial. Okay, we have to how many numbers of 6 digits? Okay, 6 digits. In every number we have to produce the digit number of digits will be what? 6. This is why taking 6 digits out of 6 digits. Now we are to find the digits divisible by 5. Okay, among all these 720 numbers with 6 digits, how many of them divisible by 5? Now we have to find out this. Such digits can be obtained when when 5 occurs in unit digits, in unit place. Okay, 5 occurs in unit place. Now, so making 5 fixed in unit place the remaining 5 digits can be arranged in 5p 5. That means 5 factorial. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This will be what?
120.
was. Okay. So the number of divisible 5. So the number of numbers divisible by 5 is equal to 120 was. Hence, the numbers are not divisible by 5 equals to what? This total 6 out of 6, 720 minus only divisible by 5, 120. This equals to what will be? 600. These 600 numbers are not divisible by 5. Very easy. Okay, now another example, example 3. Indicate how many 4 digits numbers greater than 7,000 can be formed from the digit 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. So using these 5 digits, how many greater than 7,000 numbers which will consist of only 4 digits can be formed? So we have to find out the total number greater than 7,000. Since the four digit numbers are greater than 7,000. Okay, 7,000. So first digits must be 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so first digits must be one of them. Okay, 7, 8, and 9. Now first digit digit can be chosen in taking one out of these three equals to what will be 3 ways. First digit can be chosen out of 3 digits equals to what? 3 ways. And the remaining remaining 3 digits can be any of the 4 digits. Okay, there are given 4 digits. 3 digits can be chosen any one of the 4 digits left. So 3 digits can be chosen in 4p3 because other 4 digits out of 5 digits we are taking 1 digit from 7, 8, 9. Okay, so rest digits how many? 4 digits. So from these 4 digits we are taking another 3 digits. So 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 3 factorial. This means what? 4, 3, 2, 1. This means what? 1 factorial. So we can write 24 ways. Okay. Therefore, total number of ways. Therefore, total number of ways equals to what will be 3 multiply 24. This equals to what? 72 ways, in which the 4 digits number greater than 7,000. So total number of 4 digits number result. Okay, now another example. How many different numbers of 6 digits can be formed with the digits 3, 1, 7, 0, 9, 5? How many of them have 0 in tens place? Okay, how many of them 0 in tens place? Actually, we are given 6 digits. So the given digits are digits are 3, 1, 7, 0, 9, 5. Okay, there are how many digits? 6 digits. Actually, these 6 digits can be arranged in 6p6. Okay, that means 6 factorial. This equals to what? 720 ways. From our previous 6 factorial means 720, you must know. But if 0 when if 0 stand in first place, then it becomes 5 digits number. Okay, 5 digits number. So making 0 taking 0 in first place, the other 5 digits can be arranged in 5p5 equals to what will be 5 factorial. 5 factorial means what? 5 4 3 2 1. This equals to what will be?
Sir,
This will be 5 120 maybe. So the required number of 6 digits will be what? Digits equals to what will be 720 minus 120. This equals to what? 600.
sir,
Yes. So the 6 digits can be arranged in 720. Okay, this. But within these 6 digits number, 720 numbers, some numbers started with what? 0, like this. So this number become 5 digit number. Okay, because in first place 0, no value. So if 0 stands in first place, then it becomes 5 digit number. So taking this 0 in first place, the now other 5, thus this other 5 can be arranged among themselves in 5p5 factorial. That means 5 factorial equals to 120 s. So if we subtract this 120 starting with 0 number, then that means subtracting with 5 digit number, we get 720 minus 120 equals to what? 600 numbers are without starting with 0. That means 6 digit number. Now another similar example, how many numbers greater than a million can be formed with these digits 1710737? You must know 1 million means what? 1 million. 1 million is equals to 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh. That means greater than this 10 lakh, we have to form numbers. We are given digits 1710737. How many digits here? 7 digits equals to 7 digits. Okay, 7 digits. These 7 digits these 7 digits can be arranged arranged in how many? 7 factorial divided by similar digit. 2 are 1s and 3 are 7s. Okay, we have to divide with the similar digits. So we get 7 digits can be arranged in ways. This equals to how many? Calculate by using calculator. But when 0 lies in first place, then it becomes less than 1 million. Okay, in 1 million, how many digits? 7 digits. So if 0 lies in the first place, if we arrange like this, suppose 0 is starting with 1 7 1 7 3 3 7. If like this number, that means starting with 0, then it becomes 6 digit number, that means less than 1 million. So making 0 the number, so the number in which 0 lies in first place, is equals to what will be? How many digits without 0? 6 digits. 6 factorial divided by 2 are 1, 2 factorial multiply, and 3 are 7. So 7, 3 factorial. This ways. So total numbers greater than 1 million is equal to what will be this minus this. So the 7 digits can be arranged in 420 ways, but if the numbers start with 0, how many numbers? So making fixed 0 in first place, the remaining 6 digits can be arranged in the remaining 6 digits without 0. These 3 and these 3 can be arranged in 6 factorial divided by 2 are 1 and 3 are 7s. So 60 ways. So the numbers greater than 1 million, 420 minus 60. That means 360 ways. This is the result. Okay, now another example for you. How many different numbers of 4 digits can be formed from the digit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8? 4 digit number. Similar example. Each digit should be used only once in each number. We have 5 digits, and out of these 5 digits, we have to form 4 digits number. Okay. So therefore, total number of permutation what will be? 5p4. That means 120. This will be 5p4. Okay, 120. So that's 120 different numbers will be 4 digits formed. Similarly, how many different numbers of 5 digits can be formed by using all digits number? Similarly, 5 3 2 1, 5 digit number, the first place can be filled up from any of the 4 digits. Okay, so because first place cannot be filled by 0, because there are it will become 4 digits number. So the first place can be filled up in 4 ways. 4p1, that means 4 and 0 can be placed in second place, so the second place can be filled up in 4 ways, and third place in 3 ways, fourth place in 2 ways. So the total number of ways will be this. How many new words can be found by using all the letters logarithm? In how many of these words L will be in the first place? In how many the words L will be at the last place, and M will be in the last place? Okay, that means a game with a logarithm word. Actually, in our previous lecture, we have studied how many letters for logarithm. So there are 9 letters in logarithm. The total number of permutations will be what? 9 P9. That means 9 factorial. Okay. So as the logarithm is one of the words among them, the total number of new words what will be this? Because logarithm is the given word. So new number what will be? We have to subtract this one. Now, if L is to be kept the first place, it can be arranged in one ways, and remaining 8 letters in arranged in 8 by 8. Okay, 8 factorial ways. Therefore, the total permutation will be what? 8 factorial. Now, new words in which L at the first place will be what? 40, 320, minus 1. Because the given word is also start with logarithm L. Now, if L is to be kept at the first place and M is to be kept in the last place, then it will become 7 letters. Okay. Remaining 7 letters can be arranged in 7p7. That means 7 factorial. Therefore, total number of permutations in which L is the first place and M is the last place will be what? 7 factorial. New words in which L is to be the first place and M is the last place will be new words. So 5040 minus 1. This is the example of permutation. Now we will start with another one. What is the combination? We start with what? Combination. Now, what is combination and what we use the combination? Actually, the meaning of combination is 2 persons out of 4 persons can be selected in 6 different ways. That means 4C2. These different ways of selection are known as combinations. So in the first what is the permutation? You must know the total number of arrangements, but the combination will be total number of arranging a committee, or total number of forming a committee, or selection question selection from in an exam. Actually, this will be the meaning of combinations. Suppose from 4 persons, taking 2 persons, how many selected? How many selection will be 6 selection. Okay, so suppose AB and BA are 2 different permutations, while in combinations the selection AB and BA is considered only be 1, because AB and BA same person, okay, or same question. Okay, this is why this is the formula. This is the example of combination. So now, what is the combination? The main formula for combination from a number of things, Ncr equals to factorial n divided by factorial r n minus r factorial. Okay. Now we have 3 persons, A, B, C. Now we are making a committee. A will be president and B will be vice president and C will be any member. So taking 3 members, from out of 3 members, the number of committee will be what? The number of combination will be what? 3 factorial using the formula are also 3, and 3 minus 3 factorial. This means what? 3 factorial will be cancelled. Okay, and 0 factorial means also 1. That means 1. So we can form one committee only. A president, B vice president, and C will be member. How many committee will be formed? One committee. Okay. So this is the example of combination. Now, some formula for combination. Formula: This is the main formula. Ncr equals to what will be n factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial. Number 2, Ncn equals to what? 1. Number 3, Ncr means Ncn minus r. Same word. Nc0, what will be? Nc0, what will be? 1. Okay. Number 5, Nc1, what will be? Nc1, this will be n. Okay. This is the main formula for combination. Is it right formula? Nc1, Nc1. Okay, now we'll prove an identity for combination. The identity for combination prove that n plus 1 Cr equals to Ncr plus Ncr minus 1. We have to prove this. We know Ncr formula what? Ncr factorial n, taking n number of taking r number of people from n number of people, the number of committee. Okay, r factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This is the main formula for combination. So now Ncr plus Ncr minus 1 equals to what will be? Just using this formula, n factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay, plus similar formula n factorial divided by here r minus 1 factorial, r minus 1 factorial n minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay, now we can write here n factorial, r means what? R into r minus 1 factorial n minus r factorial plus n factorial divided by r minus 1 factorial. This can be written as n minus r plus 1 n minus r factorial. Using n factorial equals to what? N into n minus 1 factorial. This, using this one. So we can take common here, n factorial divided by r minus 1 factorial n minus r factorial. Okay. So we can write 1 by r plus 1 by n minus r plus 1. N minus r plus 1. Now this will be n factorial r minus 1 factorial n minus r factorial, taking LCM r into n minus r plus 1 plus 1 plus r. Okay, so this can be written as r cancelled, so we get n plus 1 n factorial divided by r into r minus 1 factorial n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. This equals to n plus 1 factorial divided by r factorial n minus r plus 1 factorial. This means what? N plus 1 c r. This is the left hand side. Okay, this is the proof. Now an interesting example of cricket player. For a team of cricket, a cricket team is to be formed consisting of 2 wicket keepers and 5 batsmen from a group of players consisting of 4 keepers, 8 bowlers and 11 batsmen. Now we have to find out the number of ways a cricket team can be formed. Okay, we can select 2 wicket keepers. We have in our team 2 wicket keepers, 5 batsmen. Okay, 2 wicket keepers. How many wicket keepers? 4 keepers. And bowler, how many? 8 bowlers. And batsman, how many? 11 batsmen. Okay, so 2 wicket keeper, wicket keeper can be selected from 4 keepers equals to what? 4C2. Okay, 4C2 means what? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 4 minus 2 factorial. This equals to what? 4, 3, 2, 1 divided by what will be? 2 multiply 1, 2 multiply 1. That means 4 will be cancelled. 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. This equals to how many? 6 ways. Okay, 6 ways. 4 bowlers. 4 bowlers can be selected from how many bowlers? 8 bowlers. Equals to what? 8C4. That means what? 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 8 minus 4 factorial. This equals to what? 8 multiply this will be 8 multiply 7 multiply 4, 6 multiply 5, 4 multiply 3 multiply 1. This equals to how many? Okay, This 6 cancelled, this 4, 2. $70. Okay, 70 US. Now, again, 5 batsmen can be selected out of 11 batsmen. Okay, equals to 11C 5. What will be the number? 11C 5. 11 multiply 10 multiply 9 multiply 8 multiply 7. How many? 5 times. Okay, 5 times will be decreased from 11, then 5 factorial multiply, divide by 5 factorial. This is the shortcut process, and this will give the result 462 US. So we can select the team. We can select the team in how many ways? Just adding 6 plus 70 plus 462. This equals to this equals to what? 8 ways. This is the team selection. Okay. There will be multiplication. Okay. Only one team. This is why multiplication. For a different team, we have to add it. Okay. So this total number, what will be? This total number, if we multiply 194,040 ways. Okay. This is the total ways. This will be multiplied because only one team are formed. This is why single team. Okay, now another example. Okay, now another example. There are example 2. There are 10 professors and 20 students, out of whom a committee of 2 professors and 3 students is to be formed. Find the number of ways in which a particular professor is included, and second part, a particular student is included. Now first of all, the first part, we can select 2 professors, from how many professors? 10 professors. In how many? 10C 2 ways. Okay, 10C 2. This equals to what? 10C 2 means what? 10 multiply 9 divided by 2 multiply 1. That means 45 ways. 45 ways. Similarly, we can select 3 students. From how many students? 20 students in 20C 3. This equals to what? 20 multiply 19 multiply 18. 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. This equals to This equals to what will be? This 6 only 3. Okay. So 1140. 1140 west. Therefore, total number of committee. Total number of committee equals to what will be? 45 multiply 1140. This equals to 51300 west. Now first part, if a particular professor this will be excluded. Okay, excluded means what? Deleting a professor. Okay, so excluding a professor from 10 professors, the remaining professor is equal to what? 10 minus 1 equals to 9 professors. Okay, 9 professors. But selection of a student not changed, because 3 students. Okay, so we can select one professor from 10 equals to 10 from 9, because 1 so 9C 1 equals to 9 west. Okay, 9C1 and 3 students from 20. What will be 20C3? 20C3 what was? 1140. Okay, so total number of committee if a particular professor is excluded equals to what will be? 9 multiply 1140. This equals to what will be? 102060 west. Now for the second part, a particular student is included. Okay, that means we are including a particular students. Okay, so including a particular students, the total number of including a student from 20 students, the remaining student will be what? Students 20 minus 1, that means 19 students. But the selection of professor unchanged, okay? Not changed. So we can select 3 students from 19 students. What will be 19C3, right? 19C3. So it will be 969 West. And we can select 2 professors out of 10 professors, 10C2. That means 5 West. Okay. So the number of committee, if a particular student included, okay, included, this will be what? 969 multiply 5. So total was what? 436 3605. 605. This is the total number of ways for the second part. Okay, thank you. সবাইকে best wishes for you.
স্যার 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 এই অধ্যায়ের অঙ্ক আছে আনলে স্যার